everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is Grindr showing the unable to refresh profiles error on your phone? Don't worry, we have got quick fixes to help you get back online fast. First step is to check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening a website or another app to confirm. Second, force close and reopen Grindr. For that, open your settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Grindr. And simply tap force stop at the bottom right and reopen the app and check if profiles load. Third is to clear cache. On the same page, scroll down and go to storage. And here tap clear cache and reopen Grindr. Fourth step is to update the app. Open the Play Store or App Store, search Grindr. If an update is available, tap update. Fifth step is to simply restart your device because sometimes a simple restart can fix background issues causing the error. Next step is to check for outages. Visit Grindr's Twitter or Down Detector to see if other users are facing the same issue. And seventh step is to reinstall the app. Tap and hold on app's icon. From here, uninstall it and reinstall it from the App Store. Log back in and try again. Don't worry, your chats and profile will be restored when you log back in. And that's it. One of these steps should help Grindr refresh profiles again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.